Oh, here we go again. Meta has just dropped another pair of high-tech glasses. But don't get too excited. These aren't the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 3 glasses that everyone's been waiting for. Nope, the ones we're talking about today are the AR Gen 2 research-focused smart glasses, packed with sensors and designed to push the boundaries of augmented reality. This could be one of the biggest steps toward everyday AR glasses that go far beyond what Meta's current smart glasses offer. Before we dive into what makes these glasses special, let's take a quick look back. In 2020, Meta introduced Project Aria, a research-focused initiative aimed at training AI systems using smart glasses. These weren't meant for consumers, just for Meta's internal research teams and select partners. Over the years, these glasses have been tested outside Meta's offices by companies like BMW and top universities like Carnegie Mellon and the University of Bristol. Their goal? To explore how AI and robotics can integrate with wearable tech. And now, we have the AR Gen 2 glasses. They still don't have a display, but they come with some serious upgrades. These glasses are loaded with sensors, an RGB camera, multiple tracking cameras, spatial microphones, and various motion sensors, including an IMU, barometer, magnetometer, and built-in GPS. Essentially, they're designed to understand the world around you, even though they don't project anything in front of your eyes. But here's where things get even more interesting. Meta has added 2 new sensors right in the nose pad. The first is a PPG sensor, which tracks your heart rate, bringing health monitoring into the mix. The second is a contact microphone that isolates your voice from background noise. This means that even in a crowded or noisy environment, the glasses can pick up your voice clearly, making them a game changer for AI voice assistants and speech recognition technology. Now, let's talk about usability. Meta says the AR Gen 2 glasses can last between 6 to 8 hours on a single charge, which is a solid improvement. And perhaps one of the most practical upgrades, it actually folds like a normal pair of glasses. That may seem like a small detail, but it's an important one. Nobody wants to carry around a rigid, bulky pair of smart glasses all day. But the biggest AI trick up its sleeve? SLAM tracking, short for simultaneous localization and mapping. Sounds complicated, but the concept is simple. It allows the glasses to map out the world around you in real time. This could be the key to making future AR glasses work seamlessly indoors, where GPS often struggles. Imagine walking through a shopping mall, and instead of pulling out your phone, your glasses already know where the Apple Store is and guide you straight there. And this isn't just some cool tech demo. Meta is already putting AR Gen 2 to practical use. They've partnered with Envision, a company focused on accessibility, to develop a personal assistant for visually impaired users. This system helps people navigate indoor spaces with ease. In a recent demo, the glasses guided a user to a specific item in a store using spatial audio. Imagine needing a Granny Smith apple. The glasses literally direct you to the right shelf with a directional audio cue. That's next-level accessibility. So, where is all of this heading? Meta is still playing the long game with AR. The ultimate goal isn't just to create research-focused glasses, it's to build a full consumer AR headset that could one day replace your smartphone. We got a glimpse of this future with Meta's Orion prototype, which does feature a display. But there's one major obstacle. It costs nearly $10,000 per unit to produce. That's nowhere near affordable for the average consumer. Still, Meta isn't the only one chasing this vision. Tech giants like Apple, Samsung, and Google are all working on AR glasses, racing to make them smaller, more powerful, and affordable enough for everyday use. While the AR Gen 2 glasses aren't something you can buy, they represent another major step toward that reality. So, what do you think? Are these features impressive, or are we still too far from truly useful AR glasses? Let me know in the comments. And with that, we're wrapping up this video. Catch you in the next one.